All right. So in this video, we will be talking about equations. And first and foremost, let's just assume that we have these data filled into our Excel file. So on the left column, in the A column, we have items, and in the B column, we have cost. So let's pretend this is like a monthly itemized list that you have, and you're trying to figure out how much money you spent in that month on these 5 things. For example, shoes you said costed $100, groceries that's 500, bills 300, rent 1200, and entertainment 250. Now, the best way to go about adding up all of these numbers is to use something called a function in Excel. So the best way to go about doing that is, let's say in this cell right here, D4, we want to find the total. So we'll put it here in the next cell. The best way to go about doing it is by using something called the sum function. So to use that function, we first type in the equal sign. We type in SUM parentheses, and we want to choose the values that we want to add up together. In this case, we want to choose 100, 500, 300, 1200, and 250. And the way I did that was I clicked on the first cell and I essentially just dragged over all of these numbers that I wanted to highlight. Now we close the parentheses and we click return, and it gives us our total 2350. Now, let's say, for example, you wanted to calculate the average for that matter for these items. Similarly, we can do the same thing, type in the equals, average, and as we can see, Excel gives us these options here to what we can choose from for like some of the functions that they offer. And we want to choose average, and it gives us the parentheses. So all we got to do is put in our values just like before, close parentheses, boom, there we go. So now we have the average cost for all of these items. Now, of course, there's another way to do the same thing. And that kind of touches on another topic that we talked about earlier. But if we type in the equal sign, and for example, if we add up all of these and then divide by the number that we have, we can also get the average. So let's say we do B4 plus, and you can use any arithmetic operators that you like. So we have the plus sign, we have the minus sign, we have multiplication, division, and we can also do exponents as well. So we have B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7 plus B8, close parentheses, and that is divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, and we get the same value. So these are just a couple different ways that you can use Excel to speed up your calculations without bringing out a calculator or doing this by hand.